Hello everyone! So in today's video we're doing the 5-minute makeup routine, and this makeup, believe it or not, is very useful for a lot of people because you can be a mother, have no time to do your makeup because you have kids to take care of, or you're a student that has to get up in the morning very early to go to school and you have no time to do your makeup, or even you hate makeup and you don't like spending a lot of time doing it. So there we go. This makeup is for a lot of people. It can be for a lot of people, but personally I love doing my makeup. It's very therapeutic for me, so I do take 25 to 30 minutes. So it's gonna be a challenge for me. So I'm also going to set a timer so it can be fair and square and, you know, show you that I'm actually going to do it in 5 minutes. I'm gonna set a timer somewhere around the screen. So please like this video and subscribe if you want to. I would really appreciate the support. And if you want to check out my other social media, I'll have a link in the description. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'm about to set the timer and I'm kind of scared, not gonna lie, but it's fine. So let's just... Okay. 5 minutes counting down. So this video is gonna be pretty chill. I don't want it to be like, oh my god, I have 5 minutes, so I have to do this and that, and oh my god, and just no. No. I'm going with my NYX, wait, what is it? It's the Bear With Me Concealer Serum. It is so good. I do have some spots and this concealer covers everything so well. It's also kind of like a no makeup, or it's like a clean makeup. So we're not doing a lot. So next I'm going with cream bronzer, and this is from Fenty Beauty in the shade Truffle. And if you want to apply it very evenly and fast, so take it and warm it up on the back of your hand. Take it with the brush, like apply it evenly on your brush, and then see how smoothly this applies on my face? Just do it like that, and I promise you're not gonna regret it. So now I'm going again with a concealer, but this time I'm going to place it like under my eyes and kind of like we're going to reverse contour. And also all the products that I'm sharing with you, they blend out like butter, so it's pretty easy to just go and just do it really fast, you know, without having to blend and blend all the time. So yes. Now I'm going with my Huda Beauty blush in the shade Cotton Candy. This is one of my favorite blushes ever. It's such a baby pink color. I love this one so much. Now for powder, I'm going with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake in the shade Sugar Cookie. I'm honestly so loyal to my products. I know all the names without having to read them anymore. So I'm taking it with a brush because it's so much easier and it looks more natural. So next we have highlighter. This is the Rare Beauty in the shade Accelerate. So I'm just taking a little bit of this. Makes the biggest difference, honestly. The glow is literally sensational. So for the eyebrows, I'm going to use my Kosas eyebrow gel. And this one is so good. It literally makes your eyebrows stay in place the whole day. I also tinted my eyebrows not too long ago, and honestly this saves me so much time because I just go with the gel and then I don't have to worry about anything else. Okay, so now moving on to the eyes. I'm also sorry if it got a little bit rushed. It's just, it takes me twice the time that it would usually take me because I'm talking to the camera, so it is kind of difficult. So I went with a beige eyeshadow all over my eyelid to create the base for my eyeshadow. And now I'm just going with a little bit of brown on my outer corner just to give a little bit of color. And that's it. And I use my Makeup by Mario Master Matte palette. And now let's move on to mascara, I guess. And this is the L'Oreal Telescopic. It's so good. I'm just going to do a very, very light layer. Oh my god, I literally have 10 seconds. So, Kosas lip oil, shade Unbutton, I guess. And one size setting spray. Ugh, okay, that's disgusting. Okay, so I got a little bit rushed at the end, but you guys, I did it and I think I nailed it. What do you guys think? I think it turned out so good. So comment down below how long does it take you to do your makeup, because let me tell you, this was a challenge for me. So this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like it, and I'll see you in the next video. I love you!